Never let anyone tell you that you can't do anything you want. All you have to do is want it enough. Do you remember that time going through life when you thought that you could do better, that you thought you could do more with your life, that you wanted to entertain? I could do better than that. Remember that time when you were a kid and you thought you were immortal? Remember when you thought you had everything, and then you grew up and all that kind of got taken away and you realised life was hard? Life doesn't always have to be hard. You know, just be yourself. Flow like water, guys. Flow like water. Right guys, now this is a message to you. Stay at home. Don't go out. Stop the spread of this virus. Thanks for watching, guys.